What do you look for when choosing a tyre? Fuel efficiency? Safer wet grip? Long-lasting performance? Look no further. The new Ecopia EP300 by Bridgestone combines the best of fuel efficiency, safer wet grip, and long-lasting performance for the driver who wants it all. Let's put it to the test. To determine a tyre's effect on fuel efficiency, we have to test its rolling resistance. The less resistance it has, the less fuel is required to move it. To demonstrate this, we use 3 identical cars. One is fitted with the EP300, while the others use competing tyres. All 3 set off at the same time and pace. When they reach 50 km per hour at the designated line, all of them switch to neutral and start rolling. The cars with competing tyres are the first to come to a halt, while the car with EP300 travels 115 metres further, giving you 11 kilometres more per tank. But this does not mean less effective braking, even under wet conditions. Now, let's look at the competition. At the designated spot, the drivers hit the brakes at 80 km per hour. The cars with competing tyres stop the furthest, while the new EP300 comes to a rapid halt in just 28.9 metres, even on a wet road. The improved NanoPro-Tech compound and the higher silica content help lower rolling resistance, contributing to fuel savings, alongside a new polymer which enhances wet grip for safe performance. Last but not least, can the Ecopia stand the test of time? In our tests, the EP300 showed longer lasting performance due to the new shoulder design with deeper grooves, while the improved tread design contributes to its low rolling resistance and safer wet grip. The best thing is, you'll also be saving the environment. All these benefits mean less fuel is consumed, and less fuel means lesser carbon emissions. After all, being eco-friendly is the hallmark of Ecopia. So if you're looking for a tyre that gives you all you want, look no further. The new Ecopia EP300 by Bridgestone, when you want it all.